Want to catch fish like this? Okay, now follow me. Get your boat. I'll speed it up for you guys. Go to the side of the mountain. Just right here. This will be hard for mobile, but this is the fastest way to get to the spot.
Speed up, Timey. So you must have an oxygen tank and a winter cloak. You can get a winter cloak at the top, but an oxygen tank at the very bottom or at overgrowth caves. Follow me again. Go up this. Follow that path. You will see many ladders at this point here. Go straight here. You will see this cave. Go down.